Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you one of the hidden features on iPhone, and it's the shortcuts. So first, search for the shortcuts application, and here we can add a shortcut. So for example, ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT and message hey. Now click done, and here is our shortcut. Just click, and yeah, we are logged out, so let's use something else like messages. Message hi to someone, done, send message, and click. That's it. And we can go into the automation. Click new automation and personal automation, and automation that runs on your iPhone. So for example, time of the day, every day at 7:30 a.m. Daily, weekly, monthly, run after confirmation, run immediately, not notify, click next, and every 7:30 speak text, it's 7:30 a.m. and done. And now every day at 7:30 your iPhone will speak, it's 7:30 a.m. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.